Barcode, that is visual representation of data. Barcodes are widely used for automatic identification, products tracking, and for other items. Here you can see in the barcode we have a series of parallel lines having different width, and you can see the space between the lines along with digits and characters. Lines and space in the barcode represent different combination of binary digits which encode information. For barcode scanning, we can use barcode scanner, camera, and other devices. Now we will create a dynamic barcode generator. We will generate different barcodes for digits, characters like this. Here we will use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here you can see HTML for the basic structure, CSS to style the document. Then using JavaScript, we will generate the barcode. So here you can see we have two files, one for the HTML, then for the CSS. Now first we will create the HTML file document. We will keep the content center, so I'm using here center tag. Inside center tag, we have the first heading. So you can see here we have the first heading here. Now we will use div id is box to display the barcode. So here we need an input box for the user. So here input type is text, placeholder, enter text for barcode. This ID we have barcode input. Now we will use another button here, that is generate barcode. So here we have the text area where user can enter the text and the button to generate the barcode. Right now it is not working. Now for the barcode we are using here SVG. Its ID is barcode. Now we will style this document using style sheet. So here we will give it font size. Now link the style sheet here using link tag. CSS style sheet name is bar.css. Now you see the font change. Let's change it to 25. Now we'll style this input box. Here it is input. Height suppose 30 pixel, width 120 pixel, increase the width, little bit height. Now the font size 20 pixel. Now we will style the button tag. Done. Now we will style this button. So here I'm using the button tag. Its height 50 pixel, width 190 pixels. Suppose let's decrease its height. Done. Now add background. Blue. In the font size we have 20. Border radius 20 pixel. You can see the slight change in the corners. Now box shadow. Now we will add the hover effect on this button. Change its background color. So here change its background color to red and box shadow to white. So as you can see here we have the div and its ID is how we will create the box for this. So here we have height 600 pixel, width suppose 700 pixel, border 5 pixel solid black, padding 25 pixel, reduce its height, it's enough. Then we will add the background color. That is green. Border radius we have 45 pixel. You can see the slight change in the corners. Box shadow yellow. User can enter here any text. When user will click on this button, it will generate the barcode. Now we will apply here JavaScript. So as we did in the QR code generator, again we will import here JavaScript library, that is barcode.js. So we will import this library here. Then we will apply JavaScript. Here I'm using the script tag. First we will create here a function, that is barcode generate. Now inside this function we'll use here a variable text. Using this ID we will access the user input. So here we have document dot get element by ID. ID we have here for this tag, barcode input dot its value. Now we will call this. Now we will generate the barcode using JS barcode this library, and here we have this barcode ID and text, the variable that we created here. Enter here any text. Barcode is generated. What you can see here, it is attached. Now we will apply here break tag. So you can see the barcode is now generated. We can also give it height and width. You can see the ID we have barcode. Now suppose its height we have 350 pixel, width 400 pixel. Now suppose now you can see the barcode is now generated. So like that we can generate the barcode for any digit, single number or multiple digits we can enter. So like that, for example, we can generate here the barcode for any name, suppose Anand. You can see the barcode is generated. We can generate it for digits, number and digit. And for this product, you can see the number is 898901. Seven six five three 00010. So like this we can generate QR code for numbers, digits. So that's all about this video. If you have any question, you can comment below, and thanks for watching this video.